Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make Spongebob on infinite craft. So what you have to do, first of all, water plus wind. Okay, now this make wave. Now water plus water, water plus water. Now this make lake. Now wave plus earth, wave plus earth. Make sand. Now lake plus sand. Make beach. Now fire plus fire, fire plus fire. Make volcano. Now volcano plus beach. Make Hawaii. Now Hawaii plus, now water plus earth, water plus earth. Make plant. Now plant plus Hawaii. Make pineapple. Now water plus fire, water plus fire. Make steam. Now steam plus earth. Makes mud. Now mud plus fire, mud plus fire. Makes brick. Now brick plus brick. Makes wall. Now brick plus wall. Makes house. Now house plus pineapple. Makes pineapple under the sea. Now lake plus water, lake plus water. Makes ocean. Now ocean plus water. Makes fish. Now fish plus pineapple. Makes Spongebob. So like this you can make Spongebob in infinite crafts. So further infinite tutorial, please subscribe my channel and also like my video. Thanks for watching.